Hi everyone! Super excited to unbox this Mega Space Molly and guess who? Yay! Panda! Kasi kakaiba siya. Siya lang yung may fur. So excited na ako and thank you for this. The card, of course. Ready? Okay. Si Panda lang yung character na hindi camera yung hawak niya. Bamboo. Sa bamboo. Napifeel ko na yung fur niya. Here comes Panda! And, tingnan niyo yung nasa loob. Apples! So cute! Niya, super. Ito na yata yung favorite ko. Sorry, Hello Kitty. Ang ganda niya. If you can only feel the fur. Super cute. As in, you know, diba? And then, you know, I love it! Thank you, thank you! Merry Christmas!